Аз съм Дани, на 16 години от София. Този клип е посветен на най-добрата ми приятелка Рая. Тя винаги е била до мен, но за нещастие загина в катастрофа. Рая винаги ме е подкрепила, дори когато майка ми намери. Дори през времето, когато нашите се караха, което беше доста често, тя беше до мен, винаги и ме благодаряваше. Той ми подари тя. Той е символ на моето обещание към нея да стана най-добрия. Днес аз изпълних това обещание към нея, но не можах да го споделя с Рая. Надявам се поне на вас да ви хареса.
Здравей, Рая, аз съм Дани. Правя това клипче да ти покажа, че ти си най-важен човек за мен. Благодаря ти за всичко, което правиш за мен. Знам, че не съм най-добрият приятел, но ти винаги ме подкрепяш в трудните ми моменти. Обещавам ти, че ще стана най-добрия. Също така ти обещавам, че ще направя всичко възможно да изпълня обещанието си към теб.
I was 7 years old when I got my first pair, and I stepped outside and I was like, Mama, this air bubble right here, it's gonna make me fly. I hit that court, and when I jumped, I swear I got so high, I touched the net. Mom, I touched the net. This is the best day of my life. Air Maxes were next. That air bubble, that mesh, the box, the smell, the stuffing, the tread at school. I was so cool, I knew that I couldn't crease them. My friends couldn't afford them. 4 stripes on their Adidas. On the court I wasn't the best, but my kicks were like the pros. Yo, I stick out my tongue so everyone could see that logo. Nike Air Flight book bag was so dope. And then my friend Carlos's brother got murdered for his 4s. Whoa. See, he just wanted a jump shot, but they wanted to start a cult though. Didn't want to get caught. From Genesee Park to Othello, you could clown for those probings with the Velcro, those were not tight. I was trying to fly without leaving the ground, cause I wanted to be like Mike, right? Wanted to be him, I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim, I wanted to be cool, and I wanted to fit in. I wanted what he had. America, it begins.
I wanna fly, can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for, tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high, my feet won't touch the ground. Just itch my wings and pull the strings. I bought these dreams that all fall.
We want what we can't have. The commodity makes us want it. So expensive, damn. I just got to flaunt it, got to show 'em. So exclusive, this, that new shit. $100 for a pair of shoes. I would never hoop it. Look at me, I'm a cool kid. I'm an individual, yeah, but I'm part of a movement. My movement told me be a consumer, and I consumed it. They told me to just do it, I listened to what that swoosh said. Look at what that swoosh did. See it consume my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk. That's my air bubble and I'm lost. If it pops, we are what we wear what we are. But see, I look inside the mirror and think Phil Knight tricked us all. Will I stand for change or stay in my box? These Nikes help me define me, but I'm trying to take mine off.
Имам да ти дам нещо много специално за мен, което отдавна искам да ти го дам. Изчакай малко, сега ще го донеса.
Тежка катастрофа в столицата. започват обедните новини на Тотал Плюс. Аз съм Таня Дончева. Млад пиян шофьор, чиято книжка е била отнета преди 6 месеца, предизвика катастрофа. На място загинали Мария Георгиева и дъщеря й Рая Георгиева.
I wanna fly, can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for, tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high, I'll go so high, my feet won't touch the ground. This is my wings and pull the strings, I bought these dreams that all fall down.
It started out with what I wear to school that first day. Like these are what make you cool. And this pair, this would be my parachute. So much more than just a pair of shoes. Nah, this is what I am. What I wore, this is the source of my youth. This dream that they sold to you. $400 and some change. Consumption is in the veins. And now I see it's just another pair of shoes.